Gyms can help with your Wi-Fi by giving you solutions for your home or business in regards to a better network coverage, including eliminating all the dead zones. The difference between an access point and a Wi-Fi mesh system is the fact that access points are hardwired, so they give you great coverage and fast speeds. Mesh systems can also be hardwired as well, but if we don't have access to being hardwired, we can actually run them over your Wi-Fi signal to again eliminate all your dead spots. The solutions we have for Wi-Fi outdoors for customers is we can use hardwired access points. That will give you great coverage with your network outdoors. For exterior buildings, we can run what's called a bridge, which is a point-to-point that can give you internet access to your shed or even studio. For further information, please visit our website, gymsantennas.com.au.